This is Speak English channel and I am your lecturer, presenter and speaker Dr. Taj Firdausi. My dear students, let us start with the same sermon of every day. Speak English. Don't speak your English. Don't speak that English, this English, Chinese English, Indian English, Pakistani English, Sri Lankan English, Philippine English, Thailand English. Even in Indian English, don't speak Kerala English, Carnatic English, Tamil Nadu English, Bihar English, North Indian English, South Indian English, the Central English, that English. So in India itself, there are hundreds of English types. And what's the name? We got a big banner, English UK. English American and English Indian. English categories of English is divided and the worst part is that there is a word called Indian English. What a sad thing. How can you say that your English is separate to Indian English? The only problem with Indian English is not the language, not the grammar, not the way of the writing, not the spelling, nothing. Presentation, nothing, but only the problem is their mouth. The words they speak. Let's imagine and look around. Hundreds of anchors on our Indian channels. Click it down and say, what do you see? Then you say. Listen, say. What they say, is it English? And how they say, oh, the news brought to you by something, and it is something for the people to hear about the latest news, what is going on around. What do you think of that one? What happened in that seminar and what happened to that person and how? What happened to this one? So I wanted to tell you something. This is the one word. So there are so many things. There is one question. Do you think that party will join? He will leave? Another style. I think that party will join because that party has got a very big influence and there are so many people. My dear man, stop, enough of that. If you want to speak English. Don't speak your baba. I was abroad all my life, I taught outside India. What happened? Do you know what happened? People laugh at our Indian English. What about me? I am an out Indian, yes I am. But I worked hard. 2 years I did PGCT, CFL and then from UK, my PhD in English. In what? The way of presentation, the way of speaking. That's the way, that is the way. This is what Indian. I want to tell you something very important and it is my way of speaking. Leave it that man, forget about it. Don't speak. If you don't know how to speak, don't speak. You have a better language with you. You have your Hindi. And even what kind of Hindi? ये जरूरी नहीं है ये हमारी गजल जो सुनते हैं आप ये जरूरी. What is that गजल? My God. Even their own language has got a problem with our people. Let me speak. Let me call a spade a spade. Let me tell you the fact what it is. You will be angry that, oh, Dr. Taj, that means what we studied from my childhood of the first standard and even before that LKG, HKG, English is bad and what I got my degree is master's degree and everything what I am doing. I am going outside abroad and I am teaching this and presenting everything. So do you think that this is my bad English? Yes, it is bad. You are telling yourself, you confess yourself. Speak your English and then you turn on the BBCs of native speakers and turn on the English and channels and other things. Forget about everything like that. Turn on at least some videos and movies and the video shows of US, of Hollywood. Look at their English. What do you say? What do you think of me? Oh, super. How? Is that so? That's right. See, only two ways. The first part of my dialogue was American, the second part of so. Do you think so? It is British. See, only there are two ways of speaking English, American or British, American, British. Look at the slogan, look at the poster, look at the icon, look at the thumbnail of my Speak English. One, there is a flag of America and there is another British. There is no third English. American English and British. Which one is better? Both are better. That's all. Father and mother, both are your parents. That's all. Not the third one. If you have got a third one as your father or so, imagine yourself what kind of parents you have. More than one father or more than one mother, or what kind of language is this? Have only spoken English. And how do we do that? You can't learn anything like that one. You can learn grammar, you can learn anything online with a teacher, with the presence of teacher, but not spoken. Spoken in the sense phonetics. Nobody can teach you unless you sit in front and the man knows and he should know what you speak and how you speak and what your level is, and he must diagnose like a physician, expert physician, and he must see there is a problem, whether it is in the heart or the kidney or the lungs or so, and then he will diagnose and see the report and then he will give the medicine. Just standing over there, someone, and then say that I'm teaching English today and I'm speaking English. You learn only these 42 words and sentences. Your English is, you speak with me for 15 minutes and just listen to me. First of all, the man who is speaking, you learn English first, the man who is speaking. And the worst part is that you people, just listen to it, listen. Oh, he's teaching. He. Who is he? Did you see his qualification, his experience? Forget about everything like that. At least he must be qualified. Number two, he must have the spoken of PGCT, CFLs, the special course he should do. Otherwise, he is not entitled to be a teacher for English. English teacher should speak English first. Most of the channels I have seen people teaching English and their language, I cry and say that, my dear teachers, my dear trainers, first you go and learn English, how to speak, then otherwise don't speak. Don't do that. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm here to tell you. I'm here to guide you. If you are running, you've got a college, if you got so my dear people, my dear listeners, if you have got a group, your admins group, you can make a group who want to learn, if you want to train them to speak good English like the native speakers, I am here to help you. Contact me. The number is on the screen. Look at the number. See that. Call me. I will guide you. I will help you. If you got a group, I can find out the group. I will take the data and everything, and afterwards I can conduct the workshops. I can conduct the short courses for them to speak good English. Thank you very much. Take care. And Dr. Taj Firdausi says, Masalam. Take care. And check my number. And please circulate all this one. Make my videos viral so that let's make India to speak English, not Indian English. Come with me. I'm going ahead alone. I want to see that you will be one of the participants to bring India to speak good English, good native speakers English.